In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a chart in TradingView. If you've ever found yourself with cluttered layouts or simply need to start fresh, this guide will help you tidy things up efficiently. We're going to take this step by step to ensure that you can easily follow along and achieve a clean charting workspace. First, let's head over to the TradingView chart. Open your preferred web browser and type in the TradingView website address. Once on the main page, navigate to the login area if you're not already signed in. Use your credentials to access your account, which will then direct you to your personalized dashboard. From there, click on the chart option to open up your current TradingView layout. It's right there on the top bar, hard to miss. Now that you're on your chart, you might notice a lot of lines, indicators, or just an overwhelming amount of saved layouts. To start the process of cleaning this up, look for a small arrow icon usually located on the top toolbar of your page. Clicking this reveals additional options related to your chart layout. It might seem like a minor detail, but this arrow is your gateway to more layout management options. After clicking the arrow, locate the Open Layout menu. This option gives you an overview of all your saved chart layouts. It's a helpful tool for managing which charts are important to you and keeping them organized. By selecting Open Layout, you'll see a list that details all charts you've saved, complete with their associated data. Now, here's the trick to actually deleting one. Once inside the Open Layout menu, find the layout you wish to discard. Beside it should be a small trash bin icon, an unmistakable symbol of deletion. Hover over this icon, and TradingView will remind you that clicking it will remove the selected chart permanently. Be sure to double check which chart you're deleting to avoid any accidental loss of important layouts. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly eliminate any unwanted charts from your TradingView profile. Managing your chart layouts doesn't have to be burdensome. In fact, you can make it a regular part of your trading hygiene to keep everything neat and relevant. Thank you for joining me on this simple walkthrough. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next tutorial. Until then, happy trading!